Welcome to the 2-Minute SQL Tips. Need to find unique values in your data? That's where Count Distinct comes in. And yes, we'll keep it short and simple. In databases, you often need to count the number of unique entries in a column. For example, how many distinct customers made a purchase? How many different products were sold? Or how many unique visitors came to the website? Count Distinct answers these questions in seconds. This is the syntax for Count Distinct. This will count all the unique values in the specified column while ignoring duplicates and null values. Let's say you have a table called sales_data, and customers are represented in the customer_ID column. You'll use this query to find the unique number of customers in this table. You can also combine Count Distinct with Group By to analyze unique values across categories. Here's the syntax. Here, the Group By clause organizes your data by the values in column name 1, and the Count Distinct function counts the unique values in each group. Let's say in that same sales_data table, there is a product_category column, and you want to find how many customers each product category has. This is the query you would use. Notice that if the same customer made purchases in 2 different product categories, that customer will be included in the count for both product categories. Here, customer ID 101 is represented in both books and furniture. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2-minute SQL tips. See you next time.